Now, going back to here, filtering data. What do you know filtering data? So, Rohan and Hers, from here onwards, it is everything new to everyone. So, if you have any doubt, you can always ask me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, guys, this is what the data which I have given. In this data, I have total number of columns, which is 6. Over these 6, this is called my header. Right, guys? Now, this data range has been defined right from A1. It has gone to F5113. My data starts from A1. It has gone to F5113 is called range. If I look at this data, I have to define this way. I have a range of information in this data, which is starting from A1 to F5113. If I really want to know range name, yes, I have to select my data. I go to the corner, I give it ABC and enter. That means my range name which I gave it, that is ABC. What is the benefit of giving a range name? If I go to this drop down and select ABC, it select this range only. Next, number of columns it has. How many columns it has, guys? It has 6 columns. Number of rows it has. How many rows it has, guys? 5112, excluding the header. Right? Now the question, number of character fields. So how many character fields are there in this data, guys? Company is a character field data, gender is a character field data, state code. So select this all and keep it here. Now, number of numeric fields. How many numeric fields are there? Customer ID is there, age is there, spend amount is there, which is given as 3 here. So these are the numeric fields and these are the character fields within the data. You understood, guys? Now, business will ask you how to filtering out the data. What do you mean filtering out data? Somebody is saying that, hey, could you please give me only for company Apollo data to me? What should I do, guys? I can select my cursor like this, or I can select by header only. I just keep my cursor over B1. I go to data, I make a filter. I select this filter by Apollo. The moment I select Apollo, it shows me the data has been selected for Apollo here. That's it. This is how I can copy data by making filter. I can go for copying data and pasting. Now, the next question comes to me. Hey, I want to select data for company Apollo, Cipla, and Geno. So how will I go for it? Untick the filter, Apollo, Cipla, and Geno. Next, for gender equal to female, I can select only female. Next, the age should be greater than 50. So I can go to number filter, which is greater than. I can put greater than. I put it here the value as 50. Done. And the state code should be New South Wales and Queensland, QLD or NSW. So I can select this by New South Wales and Queensland. And the spend amount between 500 to 1500. I can choose it here, number filter between. Between what? By 500 to 1500. And I say, okay. This is how, guys, I've made filter out my data and I'll copy this data. Going to this, I can paste it here. Does it make sense, guys?
Yeah, sir.
Right.
Yes,
Now I will have a test for you. The test I want to ask somebody specifically by name. This question goes to Kunika. Kunika, are you there? Kunika, are you there? I can see Kunika is there, but she's not saying anything. Okay, I go to Akshay. Akshay, are you there?
yes, sir.
Okay. What Kunika is writing something here, but in a meeting, so cannot talk. Okay, no problem. So, Akshay, there is a question comes to you. I want to select company called MedPlus and Religare and the age of the customer should be greater than 50, and they are belonging to the state code called VIC for Victoria and ACT for Auckland. So how should I go for doing that filter? I said company has what? Med Plus and Religare. What should I do now?
So we have to select the filters accordingly. So here we have MedPlus and yeah, ready.
Age greater than 50. How should I go for doing that?
Yeah, greater than third option,
Right.
50.
And the state code in New South Wales, sorry, ACT and QLD. I got these values. So you got to know, guys, how to go for using filter on the data. Understood? Is
Yes,
this
sir.